Hello. Good morning. So I wanted to share a quick video on NQ, the trade I took in this morning session. So what I was looking at and like the reason I took the trade and the exits and all. So basically morning mein market just opened regularly like 6 p.m. on a Sunday. Now I was looking at this low, previous day low, right? Market initially market ne niche आई and then it just थोड़ा उधर stay करके market never came below this initial low. So and it started uh, respecting that low and it kind of closed nearby to that low, but it never crossed below, right? So and it started giving me, so this first fair value gap is what I started observing and started to plot on my chart. So the multiple fair value gaps market started creating ऊपर की side. Now this indicates to me the market is going to take out this initial high, right? So if you see this, even this fair value gap which got created after those initial, वो भी market respect करते हुए it started going up and eventually it cleared out that high. Again, I was not looking at the markets at that time. So now when I'm seeing this, I started looking at the markets around about this time, but I wasn't sure which one of these highs, like how do I determine like which high is going to be an important high, right? जहाँ से market turn कर सकते, like how do I determine that? So this is how I do it. So basically I was looking at this, all the higher lows. So in this case, ये higher low hai. Again, this one came slightly, I think by a tick, but it never closed below this candle. So all these are becoming higher lows. Now, when this this high kind of like formed, and then this initial fair value gap happened in this one. So this is a bearish fair value gap. So it formed and it started respecting, the market started respecting this bearish fair value gap now. And when I'm seeing this candle, ये जब इसने इसके इन सब higher lows के नीचे close दे दिया, that's when I kind of started to watch the markets closely, because this indicates to me कि market has a potential to go towards these lows. Again, I never entered the market at this point because I knew like the way markets move is कि ये एक sudden move नीचे दिखेगा कि now it has turned bearish, so we should enter and kind of take all these profits जो targets हैं हमारे नीचे के. But because it market will never like go in a straight line or behave in the way you think it's behaving. So at this point, market just came down to like kick out all the initial buyers. जो भी buyers यहाँ से अपने SLs move कर रहे होंगे, ये एक अच्छा area है because market is just respecting this area, right? So most of the people might have put their stop losses, and that's exactly market वो उसको kick करने आई है. And in the same time, there must be new sellers who think market will go down from here, right? So basically, market generates all that liquidity, and then once every buyer is out and then new sellers are in, and that's where market gives this explosive move to the opposite side to kick all the new sellers, right? Now, this ये जो candle बनी है, this candle actually just started from the down, like काफी नीचे से एक sudden move आया to take this high. Now because this candle closed below ये जो प्रीवियस हाई लोज बने थे, मुझे ये जो हाई बना था, आई न्यू कि दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट हाई टू काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जर्व कि क्या चल रहा है, एंड दिस इज वेयर आई स्टार्टेड माय एंट्री. नाउ ICT के concept है rejection block, so that's exactly what happened here. So I'm just going to share with you now. If you're looking at 1 minute, you will never be able to take the entry which I took, because वो इधर कुछ fair value gap की तरफ market आई ही नहीं है, right? So as I actually switched to the 15-second chart, and I'll share with you कि मैं क्या देख रहा था उस time पे. So basically when this sudden move came, right, जो previous high को market ने एकदम नीचे से one sudden move, it just zoomed past that previous high. So I started looking at these two candles. Now look at the prices of here. Just look at the prices of the like where it's opening, these two candles. Rejection blocks is basically when एक high के बाद market starts to create these wicks. But you see the levels. So it's, the opening of this candle is at 20448.75. Next candle is the same opening, right? Now, as soon as this candle formed, this red candle, मुझे ये समझ आ गया कि this is actually these two candles form this become a bearish order block. Now, see the next candle, इसका high क्या है? 20448.75, which is the open of these two candles, right? Again, bearish, whenever a bearish order block, उसका जो opening price रहता है, that becomes pretty, it's pretty, market reacts there basically. So, and if it's a good order block, उसका जो 50% range है, उसके ऊपर market को नहीं जाना चाहिए, right? So that exactly what was happening. Even this candle, which formed, it gave me the same price, like 20448.75, which is the opening price of these two candles. And it started going down. Now, I still did not enter right here. When this fair value gap form, ये जो बना है ना, ये एक तो this is the first fair value gap after ये सब जो reaction मुझे दिख रहे हैं market में हो रहे हैं, and it formed on top of a previous bearish fair value gap बना था. So now this is, as soon as this formed and this candle was basically forming, I placed my limit order for around about 3 NQ contracts. मैंने इस point पे limit लगा दी थी, because I knew कि this is basically going towards that fair value gap ka, just to kind of fill partial, like around 25 to 50% of the जो fair value gap है उसको fill करके market will come crashing down towards these fair value gaps जो initial fill नहीं हुए थे, right? So exactly what happened, I got filled here, और मेरा कोई drawdown ही नहीं था. My SL was over this this line, like the 50% level. So it was pretty tight stop loss, but it never gave me a chance to even kind of, I was always in the positive. कोई time ही नहीं था, and it just respected all the levels. And initially first ये fair value gap को इसने close किया, and then it just closed. I was even out here already, like these fair value gaps, where I like to book my profits at the initial levels, like जो मुझे clear पता है कि market उधर जाएगी. But eventually ये दो of course भी थे target for market to come down, and eventually it has kind of cleared all the those levels up. But it was pretty interesting. ये rejection block at that 15-second was pretty interesting to me, to kind of see this happening, or like ICT always says, ki, like algorithms basically remembers certain points, and this was a very good example of order blocks, British order blocks, kind of giving you a real good entry. So again, I was not in rush. मैं ये सब देख रहा था, but when this fair value gap happened, और मुझे पता है पीछे भी एक बना था fair value gap same levels पे, that's where I've placed my limit order for these targets. So it's pretty interesting trade I took. So I wanted to share with you guys, and always try to think about in your mind ki what are the important highs and lows are, because usi ke around market generally kind of gives a lot of insights to you, especially ऐसा कोई rejection block या bearish order blocks ये सब बन रहे हैं, तो sometimes uh, you get a very clear picture कि आपको क्या करना है market में. So yeah, I just wanted to share this quick video with you guys. And please, this is a new channel, so please do subscribe and just give me some likes so that I continue to create some good content for you guys. But yeah, do study rejection block from ICT and also the how order blocks basically work. It kind of is pretty powerful concept in my opinion. So thanks for watching. Have a good trading week. Thank you guys. Bye.